Alright, here we are at Giggle Ridge and Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at hole number 15. Ma's already checking it out. She's snookered me. I'm telling you people, she's ahead 3 holes on this. Cannot believe she's ahead 3 holes. I have to start winning holes or else I'm not gonna win this. But you can see, you can go 2 different directions. Which way will she go? Which way will I go? We don't know. Let's find out. Good hit. Good bounce. Where's she going? Oh, she's in the pit of despair. Am I in the pit of despair?
Yep.
Oh, we're both in the pit of despair.
But you almost went in.
Oh no.
You went like close.
This is for a big 2. There's a big 2.
Nice.
She needs to put this in for a time. Oh, I win the hole finally! I win the hole! Yes! Roller coaster! I win a hole! Alright. That means she's only up 2. And this hole 16. I still have a life left. I have to win a couple holes though. Stay tuned. I thought I saw a bird go by.